So this is the SBE Sideband Engineers model SB-36. It's a 10 through 80 meter HF transceiver covering upper and lower sideband. This one was one of the early rigs produced in Japan for SBE. This one, as you can see right there, has what is called or known as Nixie tubes. And this was an early digital display. So really pretty rare, especially back in the day. Really came in more expensive radios at the time. This was not one of the more expensive ones then. Kind of a rare radio and pretty difficult to find one in this nice physical condition. As you can see here, it's quite nice. I bought it not long ago. And I also have the matching SBE power supply. The thing I did not get with the two is a connection cable. Now, I do have a connection cable I'm going to include in the auction. Unfortunately, it's not wired, and I do not have the proper wiring diagram to wire it, and I'm not going to attempt it myself, as I'm not that great at that kind of thing, and I don't want to hurt the radio. So, but if anybody has good engineering skills or knows how to read a schematic better than I do, you might be able to put the connecting cable together and have yourself a vintage 10 through 80 meter tube type Nixie tube display, digital display, HF transceiver. It makes a nice collector piece for sure. And again, this one's quite nice. Here's your band control switch here, as you can see right there. And then you have your pre-selector down below. Here's your different modes for your meter here from RF, IP, and ALC. Here's your plate and load controls here and down here. You also have your send and receive switch right here, and as well as Vox position, fast and slow for the AGC over there. Here's your main tuning dial, which operates the display. Has an RIT. How about that? And here is your, probably your power on for the radio, I'm assuming, unless it's for the RIT. I'm not sure on that. Well, it's for the RIT. Here's your power on. Tune upper, lower sideband of CW positions here. Of course, here's your AF gain control, and it has a noise blanker. So a fairly full range of options for this early HF transceiver by SBE, and I've had a few of these types of rigs. I had the SBE 33 and 34, which is why I bought this 36. And I understand there was a very short run SBE 35, and I've never laid eyes on one. So in any case, this is again the Sideband Engineers SBE 36, and that is the rig. I should spin it around real quickly to show you what it looks like on the back of the transceiver. Apologize for the not pausing there, but I hate pausing if I don't have to. There's the label right there, SBE 36, single sideband transceiver. And this is for an accessory, probably has the little plug, which is fortunate for that. That's good to have. Here's your different rear connections here, and of course this is where the power supply connects. And again, I do not have the proper power cord to go to that. I do have a cord, which is right here, which I'm including, but it needs to be wired correctly. So that's it, the SBE 36.